In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a comment on an image in Google Sheets. This is perfect when you want to call out something specific on a chart, a logo, or any picture in your sheet, and make sure collaborators know exactly what you're referring to without adding extra text in a cell. First, make sure you're actually selecting the image, not the cell behind it. You'll know the image is selected when you see small blue handles around its edges. With the image selected, the most direct way to add your note is to right-click directly on the picture and choose Comment from the menu that appears. A comment box will pop up right where you clicked. Go ahead and type your message in that box, then click Comment to post it. That's it. Your comment is now attached to the image, so anyone with access to the sheet can hover over the image or the comment marker to read it and respond. If you prefer using the top menu, you can do the same thing another way. Again, click the image to make sure those blue handles appear, so Sheets knows which object you're targeting. Then go to the Insert menu at the top and choose Comment. The same comment box will appear. Type what you want to say and click Comment to finish. Both methods do exactly the same thing. Pick the one that feels more natural to you. A couple of quick tips to keep everything smooth. If you don't see the comment option when you right-click, double-check that you clicked the image itself and not an empty cell. If the option is still missing or grayed out, you may not have editing permission on the file, so you'll need to request edit access. If there are multiple images on the sheet, zoom in if needed and click the correct one so your comment attaches to the right object. You can always move the image later. The comment will stay linked to that image. When you write your comment, keep it clear and focused on what the viewer should notice in the image. Avoid adding any sensitive or personal information. Once posted, collaborators can reply to your comment, so it's a great way to start a quick discussion right where it's most relevant. And that's all you need to add a comment on an image in Google Sheets. Right-click the picture and choose Comment, or use Insert, then Comment, type your note, and click Comment to post it.